If you've been a beauty box fan or a Korean beauty fan, you may have heard of Mimi Box. It was an erstwhile K-beauty subscription. I think it was about 2 or 3 years ago. They folded operations in 2016. I mean, they stopped sending out the beauty box in 2016. The box was revolutionary. It was very, very, very affordable. Everything was full-sized and they shipped worldwide. And the majority of the products were not cheap masks. You had a lot of full-size skincare, and Mimi Box is solely responsible for my getting so much into Korean skincare, and I've discovered a number of products thanks to them. So when Mimi Box closed, I was very disappointed, and you want to discover another Korean beauty box. And this has been a bit of a struggle. I mean, there's Bommy Box, Mishi Box, Jaw Box, and so on. But either, the value for the money is not very good, or shipping prices are exorbitant, or they don't send full-sized products, or, the vast majority of the things that they send out are sheet masks. So, there hasn't been that, wow, K-beauty subscription. So I was quite surprised to discover a new box recently. This is not a regular subscription. They do one-off boxes. The box bag is called Style Korean Beauty Box, Beauty Bag. It is from stylekorean.com. They are an online K-beauty retailer. They ship worldwide. I know this looks very small. It is. There's just 3 full-size products in here. So what makes this special? The cost. It is $9.99, just below $10. So for that price, you can't expect, full-sized CosRX and full-sized Banala Co and so on. This is their 7th beauty box, apparently. There were 6 others. I completely missed them. I had no idea they existed. So this is the 7th one, and it is called the Get Rich Box. Now, another thing, apart from the price point, that I really like about this, they ship worldwide, is that they include very recent launches and new products, rather than, same old Benton aloe vera toner or propolis bee venom, which is what a lot of established beauty boxes tend to. I mean, they do include older products as well, but a lot of new launches and trending products are in here, which is something that I really like about this. And I will be looking forward to their 8th box. This is the Get Rich Box. I have no idea why it's called that, possibly because this was a holiday box and a sort of Christmas New Year box. Now, according to the website, this is temporarily out of stock, which means hopefully it will be back. So just stay tuned. I will link it in the description box below. Now, without further ado, it comes in this plastic pouch. You can reuse this while traveling. So without waiting, dilly-dallying, I'll just show you what's inside. First up, CosRX Low pH First Cleansing Milk Gel, and this is how many mils? 20 mils of product. So you may have heard of the Good Morning Low pH Cleanser from CosRX, my absolute holy grail second cleanse, also a great morning first cleanse. So this is your ideal first cleanse, and it is not an oil cleanser as it's more of one of those pool cleansers, milky gel that removes makeup. First cleanser, and it is low pH. The pH is 5 or 5.5. I've seen different numbers on different websites. So some of them say it's 5, some of them say it's 5.5. Either way, a low pH is always a good thing. Anything below 6 is all right for me. So I'm not complaining. I haven't tried this out. I'm so looking forward to using this and combining it with the Good Morning Low pH Cleanser. So in the evening, to remove your makeup, this will be the first cleanse, followed by the Good Morning Low pH Cleanser. And that will be your complete cleansing process. So I will be trying this out. The next thing is the Son & Park Beauty Water, and this is 30 mils of product, 1 ounce. It looks smaller, I know. So Son & Park Beauty Water is one of those very trendy, iconic K-beauty products, and this is a makeup removing cleansing water. Again, this is not something that I've tried out, so I'm looking forward to doing that. The third thing is an oft-used, much heard of product. It is the Benton Snail Bee High Content Essence. I used to be a huge fan of this. Unfortunately, I discovered that it was actually causing some breakouts. Pretty much everything from Benton breaks me out one way or the other. I know they had a contamination controversy a few years ago, and they seem to have got over it and moved past it, and the products were quite popular. I don't know for some reason, long-term use of these products from anything from Benton really causes breakouts for me. So I won't be using this actually at all. The next thing, very, very, very popular at the moment, Pyongkan-yul. I'm probably butchering the pronunciation. Pyongkan-yul Essence Toner. For the last 6 days, I have been using this. And it is absolutely brilliant. So I don't use a cotton pad or anything. I use my palm and pat it on right after my acid and vitamin C. This is the start of the hydration process for me. It also makes a lovely pre-hyaluronic acid, pre-hada labo toning essence, and it is nice and moisturizing. Not quite as moisturizing as the hada labo, which I'm also pronouncing wrong probably. So, but this makes a nice, pre-hada labo moistening product, and there are very, very few ingredients in this. I think just 3 or 4 ingredients in this entire product. It is runny but not very watery. It's kind of as viscous as the hada labo moist lotion, so that's why I like this as a pre-hada labo. Just maybe just a smidgen runnier than the hada labo, more thick than the hada labo light. Hada labo. Sorry, I have no idea how to pronounce it. Please do tell me if you know the right one, and also I don't know how to pronounce Pyongkan-yul either. So sorry about that. Now this is also 30 ml. This is the product that I love the most from the Style Korean 7th bag. The next thing is an eye cream. This is the Salasu. That's probably, I read on Reddit that it's not Sulwasu, it's Salasu. So I don't know. This is the Essential Rejuvenating Eye Cream. I have been looking out for my Holy Grail eye cream for a while, and I really, really like this. It's incredibly hydrating, and I have very dry on dry areas, and if you are somebody who wakes up in the morning with all your products completely absorbed by your skin and the under eye area very, very dry, this is quite nice. It helps me wake up without that dreadfully, dreadfully drying look in the morning. So quite nice. This is 3.5 ml, and I might consider repurchasing this and the Pyongkan-yul, and depending how I like the Cosrx, that as well. So 3 products that at least 3 products that I will be repurchasing. So the next one is full-sized. This is the Rejuvenating Sisa Care Balm. There's a lot of Sisa Pear, Sisa Plast, Sisa Care sort of products in K-beauty, or Korean skincare rather, and a lot of them are targeted towards skin repair and healing. Now this one has no parabens, no fragrance, no colorants, and no mineral oils, full-sized of 40 ml. It contains calamine and barrier repair complex, which help to heal the skin, and the calamine is also supposed to help with acneic skins, which means this will be great for me. And one look at the ingredients list doesn't reveal anything very problematic, quite decent. So when or if my skin ever becomes acneic again, I will be trying this out. It's great to receive a full-size product in here. Now the price of the Rejuvenating Sisa Care Balm alone is more than the cost of the entire bag box. This one is $18.48 on iHerb and $38 on Style Korean and stuff. So let's go with the iHerb prices, because iHerb sells things, far more at a far lesser price than other places. So $18.48, $9.99 for the whole thing. If that is not a bargain, I don't know what is. Now there are 2 sheet masks in here as well. The first one is Hello Skin Soul Wow Soothing Sheet Mask, and the next one is the Huxley Secret of Sahara Mask Glow and Brightness, and for some reason there's a separate essence in a pouch here. So one of my New Year resolutions, here's a lot if you want to see, is to stop buying sheet masks because of the problem with the packaging, the disposal of the packaging. This is just landfill. It can't be repurposed. My dad can't use it for gardening either. So as a result, I've decided to stop buying sheet masks. That said, if they do come in a beauty box or advent calendar or gift with purchase, I can't do anything about it. So I will be using these up. So 2 sheet masks, 1 repairing balm, 1 cleanser, the Cosrx First Cleanser, 1 essence toner, 1 makeup removing water, and an eye cream. All of that. and the balm and the 2 sheet masks are full size. So all of that for $9.99, ships worldwide. Postage varies depending on where you live. That is an amazing, amazing deal, and I have absolutely no complaints. I do wish they would do beauty boxes, beauty bags, curations more often, because I'd love to see more of these. I mean, I miss Mimi Box very much, and you know, all this Bull Me Box and Mishi Box and so on. They don't really quite cut it, you know. They're not Mimi Box. This one could do, I mean, could replace Mimi Box because of the very, very, very low price point and the inclusion of trendy and recent products. You know, the Cosrx cleanser is a very recent launch, the first cleanser that is, and the Pyung Kang Yul and Son and Pop Beauty Water have been trending very recently, and pretty much everybody has been raving about the Pyung Kang Yul, Pyongyang, sorry. You know what I mean. The PKY Essence Toner. Let's just call it PKY from now on. So I'm a huge fan, and so far I've only used 2 products from here, the PKY Toner and the Salasu Eye Cream, and I really love both. I will be trying out the Son and Park Beauty Water and the Cosrx Cleansing Gel very shortly. I'm not acne at the moment, so I don't know if I will be trying the Cisapear Balm anytime soon. If I do get a spot, I'll definitely try it on and see if the calamine does work. The Benton I may have to pass on because Benton and I don't really get along now. I mean, I know I've done a review of Benton products on my blog when I quite liked them. I still do like the, I mean, how kind they are, but you know, there's something in there that makes me break out in the long run. So the chances are, because I love everything ever from Cosrx, and because Son and Park Beauty Water is so popular, and the chances are that apart from the Benton, I may end up loving absolutely everything from this box. So as I said at the time of recording this video, Style Korean says this one is temporarily out of stock. I will link it in the description box below so you can take a look, and if it does come back in stock, I highly recommend it. $9.9 and below $10 for all of this stuff. Something full-size costs even more than the whole box itself. So that's a huge bargain, and you get to try out a lot of products before buying. So if you're new to Korean beauty, if you love Korean beauty, if you love travel size products, if you love a good bargain, because it's a full-size product in here as well, if you love your skincare, if you love new and trending products, then you're going to be a huge fan of the Style Korean box. I can't wait for the next one. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up, and please do hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell. I'll speak to you soon.